Speed is a crucial survival trait in the animal kingdom, helping predators catch their prey and prey escape danger. Some animals are built for short bursts of extreme speed, while others excel in endurance. From the lightning-fast cheetah to the powerful ostrich, here are the top 10 fastest land animals that dominate the race for survival. 10. Ostrich, 43 miles per hour. 9. African wild dog, 44 miles per hour. 8. Kangaroo, 44 miles per hour. 7. Greyhound, 46 miles per hour. 6. Black buck antelope, 50 miles per hour. 5. Lion, 50 miles per hour. 4th quarter, horse, 55 miles per hour. 3. Springbok, 55 miles per hour. 2nd pronghorn antelope, 61 miles per hour. 1. Cheetah, 75 miles per hour.